Hey guys, Jordan with Off Leash Canine Training here. I have Maggie. She's a 2.5-year-old golden retriever. She is so sweet, so sweet. She sticks right with you at all times. She loves people. She's pretty socialized with dogs too, not reactive at all, maybe a little timid at first, but once she gets to know them, she's pretty good. She has a lot of anxiety, especially in new places. Not necessarily around new people, but new places she gets very timid, very anxious, very hesitant to go to new places. Her parents just want to be able to take her new places without her getting all worked up. Maybe a little bit more consistency with some of her commands. I don't think she knows much, but let's find out. Let's see what she knows so far. Come on. Come on. Maggie, place. 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 Sit. Good girl. Break. Yes. Maggie, come. 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 Yes. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good. Place. Oh. Place. Maggie, come. Come. All right. I'll check back with you guys in 2 weeks, and we'll see what she's learned in her 2-week boarding.